Hello everyone. In today's session, we will be discussing about the format of balance sheet. We have already discussed that why companies they prepare balance sheet. What is the importance of balance sheet? So today I will draw the format of balance sheet and to understand that how actually companies they prepare balance sheet by following format of Schedule 3. So the very first item which we record in balance sheet is asset. So the asset company is buying, they have to show in asset side. Now, asset is classified into two categories. First category is non-current asset. So in non-current asset, we record our tangible and intangible assets. So first of all, if I talk about tangible assets, so tangible assets are those assets which can be touched, right? So from tangible, you will be able to understand that assets which can be touched are tangible asset. So I can give you the few examples of tangible asset. First one is land. If company is buying any land, what they will be doing, they will be showing in balance sheet. If company is buying any building, company will be showing in balance sheet. If company is buying, let's suppose any furniture or any machinery or any equipment, so company has to show these items in balance sheet. So here equipment will be recorded and we will be getting the values of these assets in balance sheet. So whatever amount company has paid for purchase of these assets, company will show in balance sheet. After that, company will be showing intangible assets. So intangible assets, generally, I can give you the simple definition which can't be touched. So intangible assets, it includes, let's suppose company has invested in patents or company has purchased copyright. So it will be shown in intangible assets, copyright, or company has purchased goodwill. So generally goodwill is when there is purchase of another company or where there is amalgamation or demerger of companies, that time goodwill will arise. So in detail, we will discuss about goodwill. After that, what company do? Company record their current assets. So first category is non-current asset and second category is current asset. Now you might be thinking that what is the difference between current and non-current assets? So I will discuss the difference between current and non-current assets in coming lecture. So in current assets, we will be recording, you can say debtors. Now you might be thinking that what is the meaning of debtors? In detail, we will discuss the format tomorrow, in next lecture, not tomorrow. Then loans or advances. Right? If you're giving loan or advances to someone for shorter period, then you will be recording your cash balance or bank balance, right? And also you will be recording your stock, right? So if some stock is remaining with you, so you have to record all these items here in balance sheet. So what company will be doing? Company will be classifying their assets into two categories. One is non-current asset and second one is current asset. And this is what company do. Company record their assets in balance sheet. Then what you have to do, you have to do the total of assets. And after that, what you will be doing, you will be recording your share capital details and liability details in balance sheet. So quickly, after recording assets, what you will be doing, you will showing your share capital details and liability. In detail, we will be discussing about that, what is share capital and liability. Right now, I'm showing you the format here. So here, you will show your share capital and other equity. Other equity is generally reserve and surplus. You will show your reserve and surplus. And after that, you will record liabilities. Liabilities has been classified into two categories. So first category is non-current liability. First category is non-current liability. In detail, we will be discussing about non-current and current liability also in coming session. So first one is non-current liability. And second one is current liability. Now in non-current liability, what we will show generally longer debts, right? So here, let's suppose company has borrowed loan for more than 1 year, right? So we will show loan from banks. If company is borrowing loan from banks and duration of loan greater than 1 year, so here company will show, let's suppose company has issued debentures I will prepare separation for debentures also. So let's suppose company has issued debentures. So company will record their debentures in liability side. After that, what company will do? Company will record their current liabilities. So usually in liabilities, we record those liabilities whose duration is lesser than 1 year, right? So let's suppose what you're doing, you're taking overdraft facility from bank. In case of overdraft, what we do, we regularly do money from bank and we regularly repay that money to the bank, right? So the duration of overdraft loan is lesser than 1 year. If you're taking overdraft facility from bank, it will be shown here in current liability. Creditors, what you have done, you have purchased some raw material on creditor. So we from supplier, so we say it as creditor. If you're buying any raw material on credit, so we say it as a creditor, right? So generally creditors, suppliers, they provide 60 days or 90 days credit. So the duration of loan is lesser than 12 months. So here we will be recording our liabilities like this. So total of share capital and liability we will be recording here in balance sheet, and total must be equal to assets, right? The total of liability must be equal to total of assets. In detail, we will be discussing about balance sheet in next lecture. Thank you.